Hello friends. Today I will show you a simple trick to download the game Super Mario Maker World Engine to your mobile phone. It only takes a few minutes to do it. Read on for details on how to do it. Thanks. First, you visit the vmod.com page located below the screen here. Next, search for the name of the game you want to download. Click on the icon and follow the instructions. After completing all instructions, please restart your mobile device. Wait a few minutes for us to confirm and install the game for you. Wish you guys have fun playing the game.